Today I'll be painting a pattern of transparent watercolor Ginkgo Leaves. I'll help you to experience creative freedom through this relaxing watercolor painting tutorial. Although it's nice to have a pretty painting at the end, try to remember that the painting process itself should be fun and relaxing too. For this painting, I chose a square format, but you can pick any format you like. If you like to have clear white edges, you can use masking tape to cover the edges of your paper. You can use any round brush for this painting, but I'm using a size 10 for this piece. This makes it easier to fill up the surfaces of the leaves. My brush has a small tip, which is very useful for painting the stems of the leaves. I use two colors, light pink, more like a blush color, for which I mix magenta, lilac and white. And I'm using a shade of green, for which I mix deep sap green and neutral tint. To make the pink a little less bright, I decided to add some yellow too. I made two shades of each color, a lighter and a darker mix. Start painting with the lightest color, which in my case is pink. Paint triangle-shaped leaves with a thin stem. When painting the stem, try to hold your brush up straight and barely touch the paper, so the stems won't get too big. Make about 3 to 4 leaves of each shade. Let at least 2 to 3 leaves touch the tape on every side of the painting to make sure the edges of the painting are well defined. Ta-da! Your painting is now finished! I hope you enjoyed the process. I really did! After your painting is dried, you can remove the masking tape. Thank you so much for taking the time to paint with me and create this mindful piece of art. I think you did great!